Hey, this is Rob. Welcome to another episode of Classic Microcomputers. I thought it'd be fun if we did an unboxing today. We haven't done one in a while, so might be kind of fun. I have not seen this system, so it is an unboxing. It should be fun. I'm not going to tell you what it is, though, even though if you've read the thumbnail, you probably know something. But let's take a look. Hopefully it made it in one piece. I do not know the operational state of this system. So let's see what we got. Okay. Ah, good gravy. Alright, I think I'll reposition the camera so you guys can see a little better. Alright, let's see how this works out. Good gravy. Looks like we got a little separated. I think the struggle is real. Oh. Alright. Alright, let's get a reposition. Alright, up and out. So this is a TeleVideo TS-803 system. And it is very unique in that the monitor is attached to the side of the computer. So the computer is actually over here. Twin floppies. No clue what this is up here. Keyboard, round back. So looks like it had a spot for a mouse, a printer RS-232, some set of switches, fuse, contrast, power. I am not going to try to power it in this video because it looks like it got separated in shipping. And I do not want to do that because currently I do not know how to Oh, I do. Looks like there's 3 screws. Let's go ahead and open it right now. So it looks like there's 3 case screws here. If you'll notice, this is not my normal bench, just a temporary thing we got going on here. Let's take a quick look inside. So TeleVideo is really famous for their terminals. They did produce a line of computers. There we go. Oh wow. Alright, hold on. I am going to... Let's see if I can unhook. Alright, there. Unhook the floppy and... Hold on. Let me finish unhooking the floppies here. Alright. Okay. Dual floppies. Half height nonetheless. And looks like they're TX. Okay, this guy here. I'm going to get the camera and bring it over. Okay, so here we are. It looks like a single, I would guess a single board design. You can see right here, floppy disk controller. Should be a Z80 system. I need to get my glasses to see. Memory, BIOS. This is a CPM computer. It was supposedly, it turns on, but no additional testing has been done, so I do not know what turn on means, but I guess we'll find out. Alright, just a quick rotate so you guys can see the whole thing now. So this is it. And the system mounted sideways. Monitor here. The rather unique design. Very cool. Looks like she needs some TLC. So this will be fun. So we'll test it out in an additional or a later episode. So I hope you enjoyed a little fun boxing with the TeleVideo TS-803. And we'll do some additional stuff later with TeleVideo and talk a little bit about the company themselves and where they came from and what they did and where they went. So I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Please leave a comment. If you like unboxings, let me know. If you don't like unboxings, let me know that too. It's always fun to get new computers in, and it's fun to be able to open the box and share them with you and see what condition they come in. This one came really well packed, so it survived the trip quite well. It's actually quite heavy. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next video.